Bose Ultra Open Earbuds combine complete openness to your surroundings with rich private sound only you can hear. In this video, we'll help you get your earbuds set up. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, a charging case, a USB charging cable, and finally, important documentation. Okay, now let's set up your earbuds. When you open the charging case, the earbuds power on. By default, the earbuds will be ready to connect, and the earbud status lights will slowly pulse blue. If your earbuds aren't in this state, keep them inside the charging case, and then press and hold the button on the back of the case until the status lights pulse blue. You can store up to 6 devices in the earbud device list, and with the Switch Devices shortcut enabled, you can quickly switch between them. To fully enjoy all the features of your earbuds, adjust settings, and receive future software updates, you'll need to download the Bose Music app. To quickly find the app, just scan this QR code inside the box. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and then tap Connect to Product or log in with a My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap Set up New Product and then tap Headphones and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your earbuds. Once they appear, tap Connect and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to finish setting up your earbuds. Be sure to take the time to explore the immersive audio demo to get the most out of your earbuds. Okay, now let's put your earbuds on. Hold the barrel-shaped part of the earbud so that the button is on top and the left or right marking is facing you. Hook the earbud speaker into your ear and then wrap the barrel around so it rests behind your ear. For the best sound quality and performance, adjust the earbud so that it's at about a 45-degree angle on your ear. Repeat these steps for the other earbud. Move your head up and down and side to side to make sure the earbuds are stable and comfortable. If it doesn't feel comfortable or secure, slide it up or down slightly to find the best position for you. To power off the earbuds, place them back inside the case. Please note, be sure to remove the protective film inside the case to ensure the earbuds charge properly. Your charging case can provide an additional 3 full charges to your earbuds. When the status light on the front of the charging case glows or blinks amber, it's time to charge the case. Connect the small end of the USB cable into the USB-C port on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a USB power source, such as a computer or wall charger. The charging case status light will pulse amber while charging and glow solid white when fully charged. You're all set up. For additional support, visit our website.